It is a natural balm for men. If you are single, I recommend that you don't do this recipe because it is very powerful. And if you are married, don't use it because they won't put up with you in bed. It will turn you into an alpha male lion. Start. Peel 2 cloves of garlic and grate them. After doing this, I assure you that you won't regret it, as you will notice a noticeable improvement in your stamina in bed. Then, place everything in a glass. Now, add 200 ml of warm water and a teaspoon of honey. Stir everything very well, and that's it. Did you know that consuming garlic can make a man more attractive, pleasant, and masculine? Knowing these benefits in bed, maybe you will change your mind and decide to include this delicious delicacy in your diet with pleasure. Take it 30 minutes before going to bed, and you will be surprised by the effects. Want to have a strong erection and last for hours? Make this recipe and find out how to have an amazing night. Share with friends who are looking to be alpha males in bed. Comment from 1 to 10 how much you like this recipe. See you next video.
Get Salmon X, link in description.